Briefly, a few facts about fallout. The amount of energy generated by a nuclear explosion is enormous. Near the crater area, there is almost total destruction from blast and heat.
Scientists had split the atom by bombarding uranium with neutrons, which caused instability in the uranium nucleus. During this split, mass was lost and was converted into kinetic energy. They had discovered fission, and with it, opened a Pandora's box.
Codenamed Manhattan, the Allied effort will incorporate Britain's tube alloys project, including its personnel. Research will be based at Los Alamos, in the backwoods of New Mexico. Obtaining fissile material, the explosive element in atomic bombs, is the first necessity. U-235 is easy to work with, but difficult to refine. Manhattan scientists discover a second, more easily produced fissile material, U-239, or plutonium. The problem is that plutonium is toxic, volatile, and difficult to handle.
U-235. The free world faced a war for survival. It was little wonder the first thought was a weapon. But how to obtain enough material for even a single bomb? Plutonium. Only a small fraction of natural uranium is the U-235 isotope, which will fission in a chain reaction. Seemed all but impossible. But the impossible became reality. Science. This process involves what may be called the furnace of atomic energy.
The radioactive atoms produced in the explosion join with the particles of Earth and they breathe. The mushroom-shaped cloud forms and climbs higher. It now contains billions of highly radioactive particles that we call fallout.
If each of those neutrons goes into another uranium nucleus and causes fission, then the first fission has led to more than 2 fissions in the next generation, and you can see that each successive generation has many more neutrons, and this causes an explosive chain reaction.
Create the world's first controlled, self-sustaining nuclear chain reaction. They use a specially constructed pile made of graphite blocks layered with uranium rods, built in a squash court under the football stadium. The Allies now know for certain that a nuclear bomb is a theoretical and a practical possibility. They step up their efforts to build the necessary capacity.